Peppa Pig. She's outlining it in pink. Put it on to Finn.
All right, let's get started with the Rosie. So today we're gonna start with the eyes. So we're gonna do 2 little circles. Then we're gonna do 2 little black circles inside. Then after that, we're gonna make the nose. So draw a circle right here. And then we're gonna make a little line underneath. And then we're gonna circle around to make the shape of her head. Looking pretty good, Max.
Thanks.
I like the pink. All right, so right here, we're gonna add 2 little pig ears. Then we're gonna add her big happy smile and her little cheek. All right, so you're gonna make 2 slightly curved lines underneath the head. I'm gonna make a straight line connecting those 2. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the arms. So you're gonna go like that, like that. Then you're gonna do 3 little fingers. Then you do the same thing on the other side. And then a corkscrew tail. Then 2 little skinny legs go down here. All right, so then you're gonna make the shoes. And then you're done. How are you doing, Max?
Good. It's looking out pretty good.
All right, and then if you have more room, you could draw Peppa's brother.
I have more room.
Yeah, let's do the brother. All right, let's start with 2 small eyes. You're gonna do 2 black circles. And then you're gonna start making the snout. Do 2 dots and then circle around for the nose. For the head, draw a line over the eyes, come around to the chin, and connect the nose. So once you're done with the head, then you're gonna move on to the ears. So we're gonna do 2 small ears. And then we're gonna do a little smile. Then his body is just a big U shape and then a corkscrew tail. Just like Peppa's, you're gonna draw 2 skinny sticks for his legs. And we're gonna make little shoes. Then we're gonna add his arm and 3 fingers. Then you're gonna draw another arm right here. All right, so when I started out with the eyes, I did them a little too low. But the good thing about art is that you can do whatever you want. So now I'm gonna make it that they're like jumping in the air, like a trampoline. So down here, we're gonna make a wide oval shape, a couple of legs, and a smaller oval shape inside the bigger one, and then a couple of lines to show that they're jumping.
Time to color.
You're all done?
Let's check it out.
All right.
Rosie, how do you think? Peppa Pig. It's Peppa Pig. I like them. Can you hang on my wall, please? Okay, we're going to hang these in Rosie's nursery. I hope you guys hit that subscriber button because we need a lot of subscribers. See you next time. Bye.